Hey guys, I'm back with several styling ideas for the faux locks I showed you how to do in my last video. These are simple styles that really help bring the locks to life and add a regal or fun air to the look. So let's get started. For the first style, I start with a classic half up, half down look. You can't go wrong with this. It takes 30 seconds to add some volume to your style, and you can make it a more 90s vibe by using a couple locks to elevate the ponytail, which I really like and prefer. And that's it. On style 2, I wanted to play with a more youthful and fun look, so I switched to 2 ponytails. And again, this is an in-between style that you could totally get away with leaving as is, but I love elevation with my style, so I propped up the 2 ponytails with an extra hair tie, and that's the look I was most happy with from this idea. It creates a layered effect around my face while maintaining my length in the back. Love it! For style 3, I just turned the 2 ponytails into space buns and added a 3rd ponytail in the back for some jazz. On style 4, I was prepping for some cute buns, but I thought this look could be a style on its own. You could add some jewels or wrap some gold string into it to wake it up, or not, but either way, I think this is a cute, quick option. For style 5, I added a cute, simple shell jewel and turned the ponytails into buns. This came out more graceful and feminine than I expected, so I really dig this one looking back on it. It's fun but elegant at the same time, I think. And finally, with style 6, I went all in with the bun idea because I liked it so much. For this one, I just turned the middle bun from the last look into 2 buns, creating a total of 4. This ended up being the look I went with for the day, and I want to say it was my favorite style of them all. But what do you think? Leave a comment below, let me know if you try any of these, and don't forget to turn on your notifications to stay in touch. Thanks for watching.